Hi, my name is Marco from Inspector Detector. I'm ready to get started on a home inspection. I'm just going to show you the basic tools I use on a home inspection. The first thing I do is a tool bag like this. You can wrap it around your waist. The first thing I get is something called a magic light. This I use for testing the microwave. I'll show you that during the inspection. I have my electrical drill for opening electrical panels. I have this particular screwdriver. Make sure it's the one you can undo, twist around and put back in. The other good part is if you take these pieces out, you can undo the bolts that are normally on an HVAC system. You need your thermo gun to be able to do the differential on the HVAC system in the property. I use two outlet protectors. I've got the one with the button to test your GFCIs. However, the manufacturing specifications are that you test it by the button itself. So I have that one. Then you'll notice I have one and I have cut off the grounding prong. The reason I do that, you do get older homes so that you can test that the power is on those outlets. Flashlight. I always have two because you've got to recharge them, and if one is flat, you've got a secondary one. And this is just a small screwdriver I use. This is for if you have wood rot trims, window frames, that you can just push it into it so you can take a picture but not damage anything. Today, with sometimes legal problems, a lot of inspectors are using body cams. This is your usual police body cam. You can get a strap that I have that you can clip it on. Some people clip it on their belt. It has about an 8-hour time limit on it, so that's good. You get different infrared cameras. I like this small little toy. It's actually a cat phone that was specially designed for being used as infrared. Get yourself a good waterproof camera. These are just secondary pictures you take so that you've got a reference to go back, and a pair of binoculars to go to the exterior and looking at the roof. A lot of guys today do use drones. I don't have my drone with me today. And then I use my tablet. My software I have uploaded on my tablet. So I do my whole inspection on the tablet, put all the wording, all the statements, all the findings on it, and then in the evening I transfer it to my laptop where I clean up the report and then send it to the client. You can do it on your cell phone as well. I just like this. You get a casing, it protects it, and you can hang it over your neck, and it's easy to use this way.